I thought I'd show you a side dish that we do a lot around the holidays and my family really likes, and it's green bean casserole, but it's a little bit different. It's a simple green bean casserole. I've seen different recipes. You can find them on the backs of the Campbell soup mix. And then sometimes you can find it on the cans or the bags of the fried onion for the topping. But this one is easier than all of those. So I think you'll like it. My family really likes it, so let's see how it goes. Very simple. For every 2 cans of French-style green beans, I like the Del Monte. Use whatever brand you like. It doesn't really matter. And you can use cut green beans if you'd like. But 2 cans of French-style green beans, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. And we're going to mix those into the bowl together. Drain your beans first. You don't want all the juice in there. So once you've put your green beans in, then you want to put the soup mix in. And you can do this in a larger bowl if you'd like to ahead of time, especially if it's going to go to a party or something where you're serving it and want it to look nice. But this is just for a Thursday night dinner, so I'm going to mix it inside the container so that I save dishes to have to wash afterwards. So then you're just going to mix it together until you incorporate the soup into the green beans. So then once that's all mixed together, then we're going to cover it and put it in the microwave until it's hot. And I'm going to just stir them just a little bit so that the top area isn't dry. My oven has been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm just going to sprinkle the fried onions on top. And you can put this as thick or as thin as your family wants it to be. So I'm going to slide this into the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes, but you want to watch it because you don't want it to burn. You want it to get a little bit darker golden brown than it is already, but usually it's about 10 minutes, depending on your oven and how hot it is. It may be a little bit less than that, so check it after maybe 8 minutes. Okay, I'll show you the finished product when we're done. So the onions were in the oven for about 10 minutes, and you can see how they're a little bit darker golden brown. You don't want them to be too dark or they will taste burned. And this is the end result.